Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to Amabenzo TV. It's the MTN8, Orlando Pirates 2, Durban City 1. I'm joined by Ezase East. I'm not
Steve Ompethu. Kabelo Khositsile pro.
Yeah,
Nandile Apo.
Yeah.
Steve number 2, that number 10 position.
Yes.
So my problem. Without Tito, ayikho senzayo.
Yes, no.
Akuna combination. Why do wenza ama substitutions amaningi axakana?
Yeah.
Don't understand. Number 3 Steve kokugcina. I'd like to congratulate uTiki Ntsabeleng for ukuthola permanent contract lapha ku Sundowns.
Okay.
Yasenkambini leya. Sharp is Steve.
Sibo momela mfethu. Yazi kunabanye abanobeleke inkomo ezithube lobolula mthuthu. And abathi lo lamthuthu mele every game akhiqiza amacanda 1 or 2. Asazi. Awukuthi aqede.
Awiphinde leyo nto ishilo.
Nithi bakhona abanye abakhiphe inkomo ezithube lobolula mthuthu. Bathi lo lamthuthu lo mele akhiqize amacanda 2 or 1 per game. Asazi.
Asikosho.
Sithibo mfowethu. Sithibo mina ngifuna ukuqala la ngifuna ukubonga iPirates ngeqiniso eliyenzile ngendaba yegame last week ukuthi amafan amanye angakhonanga ukungena ikhona ukwa refunda. Sithibo
Let's speak.
yazini that's speak Sithibo that means it bayasicabangela bayalalela banendaba nathi yabo Sithibo ngibonga amafans ayenza iqiniso namhlanje afike early wa prepare early before afika lana sangabi nenkinga yazi namhlanje singene kamnandi kanjani azange sibe nale nkinga za last yabo another thing uZulu mfowethu ngiyaphakamisa mfowethu usibene inkinga usibisi wasilimalela
Umntwana marandela
uZulu angena
ayibamba
uzothatha opportunity so into eyenzwa iBhakaniya neSithibo
sure
inkulu ngalendlela ukuthi lonke iplayer li serious lonke iplayer li serious because of this is a big institution siya promoter siyahamba so everyone makathola chance ufuna ukuyigrab ngezandla zombili so I'm proud ngihappy ngihappy Sithibo ngiyabonga nesenkambini uDlamini ngihappy ngokuthi ayilwela indawo yakhe yokungafaya like
Kabani lo
Steve
bekuyinjani
Maxime.
Dalam speaking ngomongin patient.